What if I told you that one of India's greatest empires was founded by a prince who had lost everything? How did he conquer Hindustan with an army a fraction of the size of his enemies? And how did his son, whose name literally means the fortunate one, lose it all? In this video, we will uncover the story of the Mughal foundation, from Babur's Gunpowder revolution to Humayun's tragic fall. This isn't just history, it's a lesson in strategy, failure, and comeback that is crucial for your UPSC exam. Let's begin. तो बाबर के आने से ठीक पहले इंडिया कैसा था? इमेजिन ए जायंट कंपनी विथ ए वीक सीईओ। नॉर्थ इंडिया में दिल्ली सुल्तानेट का यही हाल था। इब्राहिम लोधी द सुल्तान वाज अनपॉपुलर। उसके अपने ही टॉप मैनेजर्स जैसे पंजाब के गवर्नर दौलत खान लोधी उसके खिलाफ एक रिवोल्ट प्लान कर रहे थे। एट द सेम टाइम एक और पावरफुल प्लेयर राणा संग ऑफ मेवाड़ वाज रेडी टू चैलेंज दिल्ली। इसी पॉलिटिकल कैओस में दौलत खान लोधी ने एक आउटसाइडर को कॉल किया, बाबर। दे थॉट ही वुड कम डिफीट लोधी एंड लीव। दे वर रॉन्ग। बाबर वाज ए डिसेंडेंट ऑफ two of the deadliest conquerors in history, Taimur and Genghis Khan. After losing his own kingdom in Central Asia, he captured Kabul in 1504 and set his sights on the wealth of Hindustan. उसने 4 battles लड़े जिन्होंने इंडिया की हिस्ट्री बदल दी। But let's focus on the first and most important one for your exam. At Panipat, Babur was outnumbered, but he had 2 secret weapons. Think of it like a new startup, disrupting an old industry with superior technology. First, gunpowder and cannons. Lodhi's war elephants had never faced cannon fire before. They panicked and trampled their own soldiers. Second, the Tulughma tactic. Babur's army quickly surrounded Lodhi's forces from both sides, creating complete chaos. The result, a swift, decisive victory. Lodhi was defeated, the Delhi Sultanate was over, and the Mughal Empire was born. पानीपत में बाबर ने अफगान्स को हराया, but the real challenge was from the Rajputs, led by the legendary Rana Sanga. Before this battle, Babur's army was scared. यहाँ बाबर ने एक मास्टर क्लास इन लीडरशिप दिखाई. He gave a powerful speech, declared it a jihad or holy war, and broke his wine goblets to show his commitment. It worked. The Mughals won again. The victory at Khanwa, not Panipat, truly secured the Mughal Empire in North India. Babur died in 1530, leaving the new empire to his son Humayun. Humayun का मतलब है fortunate, but he was anything but lucky. What was the Humayun's biggest problem? His own brothers. Imagine, Babur left a new company and Humayun was the CEO. But his brothers, Kamran, Askari, and Hindal, all wanted to break away with their own divisions, weakening the parent company. Kamran took Kabul and Kandahar, cutting off Humayun's main source of military recruits. While Humayun was dealing with his brothers and other rivals, a brilliant Afghan leader was rising in the east, Sher Khan. Humayun made a critical mistake. He underestimated Sher Khan. These led to 2 disastrous defeats. Battle of Chausa, 1539. Sher Khan's surprise attack. Humayun had to flee for his life. Battle of Kanauj, 1540. A complete rout. Humayun lost his empire. The emperor of Hindustan was now a homeless exile. For 15 years, Humayun wandered. During this exile, his son Akbar was born. Finally, he got help from the Shah of Persia. By 1555, the Sur Empire established by Sher Shah had weakened. Humayun saw his chance, returned with a new army and reconquered Delhi. The Mughal was back on the throne. But his luck, it ran out. Just 6 months later, in January 1556, he tumbled down the stair of his library, the Din Panaha, and died. As historical Lenpul famously wrote, Humayun tumbled through life and he tumbled out of it. So let's quickly summarize the key takeaways for your exam. Babur's success was due to modern military technology and superior tactics, Tulughma, not just numbers. Second, Humayun's initial failure was caused by internal divisions, especially from his brothers and his underestimation of rivals like Sher Shah. Humayun's comeback is as important as his fall. He preserved the Mughal lineage, and his time in Persia brought a cultural influence that would later create wonders like the Taj Mahal. If this detailed breakdown helped you, please do me a small favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube that our content is valuable. Do you have any questions or doubts about this topic? Comment below. I personally read and reply to as many as I can. And most importantly, for more videos like these that simplify the UPSC syllabus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.